All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back here for another recap video. So today we are finishing in the green, $1,279. So pretty decent day, pretty good. I wouldn't say it's a great day because I traded 899 orders plus 60 canceled orders, so 959 orders today, which leaves me about 33 orders for tomorrow. 33. And we're in a hot market. That kind of sucks. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do with 33 orders tomorrow, but probably not much. So maybe I might have to be selective for tomorrow's setups. Maybe wait till there's a clear winner on the day. Today there was not a clear winner for quite a while. FFIE was the winner after some time. I'm very exhausted by the way today. It's just like I got a headache. I've just been staring at the screen too closely for too long, and punching the mic buttons for 959 times, well, times 2, so 1,000 and whatever. No, almost 1,000. Yeah, 959 times I hit my hotkeys. So my fingers are definitely getting some workout. Speaking of workout, I'm going to be hitting the gym as well, so because usually the gym levels me out after a nice trading day, and then usually contributes to a nice restful sleep, which contributes to a restful, refreshing morning, which contributes to making better decisions in the market. So yeah, FFIE, we're looking for the break of 97 cents here from yesterday. We did get a nice breakout by quite like 15 cents or so. Halted up, resumed higher, dumped, curling back up, higher low, and then another breakout till we hit that consolidation. Then we start to ramp up a little bit. Another 5-minute breakout, 1-minute pullback. Grind up a little bit higher here. Quite choppy in this area. But I guess it's kind of, yeah, so just higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low after the breakout, and then starting to pull away here. I didn't jump on FFIE. I'm only small green on it. I'm only small green on FFIE. I tried. I've been scalping for 1 cent all day. I think this was a stock that ate up most of my orders. But quite maddening that I traded this much. But I guess it was worth it. I mean, it was a decent green day. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? Because tomorrow could be cold. Tomorrow could be hot. We don't know. Unfortunately, I didn't record anything. I know I recorded up until about 12:30, and then I was like, you know what? This market's dead. Market's dead. That's when FFIE started crashing, and I was like, you know what? I'm done. So I quit the recording. I was just about to walk away, and then I see CRKN start curling up. Kraken just starts curling up, and I start to get involved here for the breakout, and then I really start to get aggressive on this first push, and this saved my day. This leg here saved my day. I was right about $100 from ASTS, which we can go over that again, and then FFIE, I made about $100 on that. That brought me back to small green. I made about a 150 on it, and then CRKN. Man, I started to get in the groove on this thing. I was like, oh my gosh, finally a stock that I'm actually reading correctly. And I started sizing up from there. And my biggest size was like 20 to 30,000 shares. I probably could have done bigger, man. I definitely could have done 50 or 60,000 shares on this thing, but it is what it is. I guess in the moment it's different. Hindsight is 20/20 almost always. So you can't beat yourself up in hindsight. Oh, there we go. So here's all the orders here for CRKN. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is you can't even see the chart. This is how crazy this is. This is the hyper scalping strategy. If you're a hyper scalper, your charts are going to look like this. But yeah, I mean, some people don't like it. Some people like it. I mean, to each their own. There's plenty of ways to skin a cat. This is how I skin my cat, and this is how I'm able to be profitable on most days. Only 2 red days this month. Very, very small red days. 5, 10 red days, 12, 15 red days on the month. In the entire month, 15 red days. So pretty decent. So this is how I skin my cat. Some of you guys are going to judge me, but who cares, man? I'm making money. I'm making money here. So, you know, you can't be hating. You can't be hating if the strategy is making money. Maybe you should take a couple pointers and couple tips from your boy Triad Trading. But anyways, CRKN, once we start getting this leg here, I'm like, all right, this is the next FFIE. Let's get aggressive. And this morning, I was like, lately we've been having the theme of penny stocks, like these cheap ass penny stocks started going like hundreds of percent, 1,000%. FFIE was the first one, and this thing went at least 3,000% from past 3 days. Then we had SINT, and then we had CRKN, we had GWAV, we had a bunch of penny stocks that were running. So I was like, all right, this is on the trend. This is the next penny stock. Can make the move. So I do my normal trading here. Kind of on this stock, I was more geared towards adding as it was pushing higher, buying as it was pushing higher, not really trying to time a dip because some of these dips were like very hard to time. So like you think the low would be here, but you know, before you know it, you're selling for like a 2 cent, 3 cent loss, which is like pretty big for a 25 cent stock. So, you know, I'm not really trying to risk that much, and some of these dips are a little bit hard to time. A lot of the dips were extreme on CRKN, but if you could catch the low as they're starting to push up and starting to add into the ask getting chipped away, then you can, what I was doing, I was taking my starter, and if it was starting to push off that entry point, I would add and then add and add. Sometimes it'd be adding like 5 or 6 times. And in this case, you know, we get a nice bounce. I think I got over 1K on this bounce here. And then what do I do here? So here I haven't eaten anything yet. It was like 1:20, 1:30 in the afternoon. I have not eaten yet. I haven't even brushed my teeth. And did I even brush my teeth today? Crap, I still have to do that. So it's 3:51 in the afternoon. I still haven't brushed my teeth. This is terrible. This is trading. This happens when you're in a hot market. You forget to eat. You forget to brush your teeth. I got to make sure I do that because I got to take care of myself, take care of my teeth. Because you only get one set of teeth. You only get one set of teeth. You know, you shouldn't be messing around with your teeth. So got to make sure I brush my teeth. But yeah, anyways, it's 1:30, 1:40. We start pushing, and I was getting lunch. So I missed this. I had an alert set. I guess the alert went off and I didn't even notice. I run back up here and I catch the first dip, and then I start getting involved again, and then I get up to about 1,300, and then this leg here, I was at like 800. I was at 900 orders on the day. I was up at like 875 orders on the day, and I was like, crap, man. Potentially the best move here, and it's like now I'm starting to eat into tomorrow's orders. And I was already down to like 70 orders on the day. And I was like, you know what? I got to stop. I got to stop. And then it starts going without me. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to trade again. Here I am trading again here. And now it starts to become backside. And I waste another 10 more orders or something like that. But, yeah, I mean, I definitely left some on the table with this last push here with CRKN. I probably could have sized up a little bit more, but it's all good. You know, it's all good in the hood. I can't beat myself up too much. Still pretty decent day. And considering I was running out of orders, definitely kind of makes sense to be a little bit more cautious with taking trades, because, you know, I want to be able to at least get some green tomorrow if it's a decent day. You know, all I need is maybe one or two decent trades tomorrow, and you know, it could add up to, you know, a decent day. So I want to at least keep some orders, and the reason is you can only have 1,950 orders on the week. 1,950 orders on the week, and I am at a sweet. Let's see here. I am at a sweet. What? No. Yeah, 1 plus canceled orders. So I'm at 1,900 and like 20 something. I think that's the math. 1783 plus 134. Yeah, so I'm 1,917 orders. I can only have a limit of 1,950, which doesn't leave me a lot for tomorrow. And it's a hot market. It's a hot market. I shouldn't have gone too crazy. This is how you learn lessons. This is how you learn your lessons. 900 orders. And if I break that limit, I could potentially, I'm going to get a letter. I would get a letter from my broker, Charles Schwab, and they're going to tell me that I'm trading too much. And if I do it again, they're going to have to charge me commissions, which we don't want that. So I'll take it easy tomorrow, and you know, lesson learned. You know, maybe it'll be a little bit more cautious on the orders. You know, on FFIE, I should have just not even traded. There's just so many stupid trades I was just taking, and on top of that, I was trading with DAS because this morning I was trading with Thinkorswim, and I was like, you know, I can't trade Thinkorswim. I'm so used to DAS. I'm so used to executing through DAS that like executing through Thinkorswim, I felt I was failing. I was a failing trader. I was a red trader. I was going red, trading this stock, and FFIE was like not performing well. And so I was like, you know what? I'm firing up DAS. I'm just gonna work with it. I know it's like it's got flaws because it's still in the beta mode, but whatever. I'll just figure it out. I jump on DAS and I start making money. But the problem is, sometimes on DAS, when you sell your order, it'll sell on Thinkorswim, but it won't sell on DAS. So if you want to get rid of that, you can hit flatten. Like I would do Shift F or flatten on DAS, but then it would send a send order. It would send a send order, and then I would be short, and then I'd be trying to buy back, and sometimes it would get canceled, and sometimes like I wouldn't even know, and then it still wouldn't go away on here, and then it was just a mess. So it's still a little tricky. I just got to remember I can't hit, if there's an order stuck here on DAS, but it's already executed through Thinkorswim, I just can't, just gonna have to deal with it. I can't hit flatten. If I hit flatten, I'm gonna get screwed. I will get screwed because I'll be going short. And that's happened a lot today. I was going short these stocks. That cost me some money. But yeah, so I can't use that, and I just got to look at it and not get distracted. But you know, even with that, you know, I was still able to get some good green on it. We can take a look here at the statistics. So 64% profit margin, pretty decent. Nice accuracy, 55%. Probably mostly from CRKN with my accuracy. Largest win, 400. Average position cost, you know, I had a lot of stupid trades. Like I was just testing a lot of trades on DAS with one share. So this is obviously nerfed to the downside because I was like trying to make sure that DAS was working correctly. So I was like sending out one share orders. So that's going to be altered. So it's definitely over 1,000 for sure. Maybe even closer to 2. Hold up. I got to go back here. Let's see. I know my hold time. Yeah, my holding time for my winners are 10 seconds. So I was giving my winner here on CRKN a little bit more room because I know that, you know, sometimes these penny stocks, like we were saying pre-market, during the pre-market pump, sometimes you got to give it a little room with these penny stocks. Got to give it a little time to kind of churn through all those shares, moving higher. And you know, if you can kind of hold on to your winners a little bit, you can capture more of the move. And also keeping my loss tighter in duration than my average winner is always a great sign. And yeah, so pretty decent day. Can't complain too much. Another green day. Keeping the consistency alive. And like I said, if I can just end the month consistently, small green or small red or big green, that's fine. What I don't want is just a big green day. I mean, a big, no, I would take a big green day any day. I'll take the big green day any day. I don't want, what I mean is I don't want the big red day. I don't want a big fat red day. So if I can keep up the consistency for the rest of the month, it will be a perfect, terrific month. It will be a terrific month. With the opportunity we had the first half of the month was just terrible for me. Struggling a lot. I was struggling a lot. So I was just kind of trying to just manage my risk as best as possible and just stay consistent. Not really trying to push it too hard, because if I did push it, a lot of times that's when you get yourself into some trouble. So trying to just coast during the choppy periods, being a little bit more selective in your trades. And then, today it started to heat up a little bit with the penny stocks, and hopefully we can see some continuation. So the market is closed now, and no more trading here for me. I am done. And so tomorrow we will see what happens with my 33 orders. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do with it, but hopefully we can at least get some small green at least. And then Monday, I have to take Monday off because I have a baptism to go to, so I will not be available to trade. So I have to take the day off. It is what it is. Sometimes you can't trade every day. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes there's other things that take priority over trading, and it's just one of those times. So yeah. So on Monday, there won't be a pre-market pump or a recap because I'll be taking the day off. Today, there won't be any trading archive on MMU because I didn't record. I only recorded the first half of the day, which was flat. So not much with that. So if you guys are still watching, hit the thumbs up button. On the way out, if you're new, consider subscribing. I am exhausted. I am going to go hit the gym and then probably crash. But kind of try to hang in there until about 9 so then I can sleep through the night. If I go to bed too early, I'll be up at like 3 o'clock or 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to hang in there, survive the rest of the day with this headache. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new. I think I already said that. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.